we are going to solve two applications in order to practice the algebra that we have taken before. Okay, so A, B, and C, given A, B, and C, the question is to write A, B, and C as fractions in their simplest form. Don't forget the simplest form. And it's not enough to write them as fractions, okay? We have to simplify them in order to get the irreducible or the simplest form of these fractions. Let's go first with A equals 0.15 from the given. It's equal to 15 times 10 negative 2. Why? Since we move to the right twice, 1 and 2. To the right, we put negative power. To the left, we put positive power. So 15 times 10, negative 2, twice, okay? This 10 negative 2 in the denominator, it will be 10 positive 2, 10 squared, okay? 15, it's 3 times 5, 10 is 10, it's 5 times 2, square here, so we put to the brackets and square to 5 times 2. Rules of power. 5 squared times 2 squared here, right? We can here make simplification. 5 by 5 squared بتروح 5 من numerator كلها بتضل 5 denominator, and here 5 times 4 it's 20 with 3 بتضل. So this is the simplest form of A. Here the shape of this leads us to remember, okay, the shape of the compound fraction. You see here? So first of all, when we find a fraction subtracted or added to some fraction, we are going to remember the common denominator. You remember the note. Any fractions لما نكون نعمل addition or subtraction دغري بدنا نخطر على بالنا common denominator. So we put 1 over 1 here, 1 over 1, in order to make them a fractions. We make common denominator and we subtract them here. We get here a compound fraction. In the compound fraction, we have to multiply far by far and near by near. 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. This fraction can be simplified, and don't forget the 3 methods of simplification. Here we make this the first method, which is the successive division or the simple division. In 12 divided 3 is 4, and we have to divide with the same number in the denominator. 15 divided 3 it's 5. So 4 over 5 is the simplest form of the fraction, okay, from B. The 2 methods الباقيين هن البرايم factorization, okay, أو to use the GCD, okay. In part C, this is the given 1.5. لما نشوف decimal دغري بنعملها بهالشكل. رح نعملها 15 لأنه مشينا once to the right, it will be 10 power minus 1. 4 it's 2 squared, 10 power 12 بنخليها. 9 is 3 squared. يعني we are decomposing these numbers, okay. Look here, 10 power minus 1 times 10 power 12, same base, we add the powers, it will be 10 power 11. 12 minus 1, 10 power 11 in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel them, and 3 here we can cancel them, since 15 it's 5 times 3. You see? So شو بيضل عنا 4 times 5 it's 20, and 3 in the denominator, so 20 over 3 is the simplest form of the fraction.